Yacht 8, this is Navajo Grandma again, and now we are making the Chichen pudding, the 3-leaf sumac. And all you need is 1/4 cup of ground white corn and 1/4 cup of ground chichen. This is Navajo Grandma. Grandma's going to be fixing the chichen pudding. This is the 3-leaf sumac. Okay, I'm going to go really close here. 3-leaf sumac, and it's called chichen. And so that, if you remember Grandma's drawing, here is the leaves and the berries. It's called 3-leaf sumac. Here is the chichen. Now remember, Grandma cleaned this, and look how beautiful it is. Very, very pretty. Okay, I've got to do this. We're going to grind this, okay, indoors. And here's the other bunch that Grandma had in her colander. So we're going to add, now we need 1/4 cup. Okay, that's all we need for this pudding. So we need to measure, and I will proceed. And here is a coffee grinder, okay? This is a coffee grinder. And no, it's just, it looks just like this. And we are going to proceed to put some chichen in the coffee grinder. Now it doesn't, excuse Grandma, her fingers all over the place. And hopefully it's not blurring, but we just need 1/4 cup, so we're not going to, we'll see how, let's work with that. And so we put the top on, and then we'll start. Now, I know we're getting a glare here, and I wish we didn't, but we do. Notice this is. Jeffy, can you turn that down? Turn it down. Okay, Grandma's grinder. Okay, we're grinding the seeds and all. And ooh, how beautiful. It's not done yet. Oh, you should smell how, oh goodness, it smells heavenly. It is very pungent. So pungent. I'm going to keep doing this till I don't hear any of that clicking from the seeds. Okay. Now, this is how beautiful. You can't tell, but it is rich. Do you see? Look how rich, how beautiful and red. Do you see? And here is the seeds, and here is the ground. See, Grandma, you ground that up. Oh, you should smell. Oh goodness, it is so pungent. It has a nice, sweet citrus smell. That's just, you could just lick this up. It is so lovely. So now we're ready to prepare. Let's go and get ready to make the pudding. So Grandma just measured let's see here, 1.5. Here's 1.5 cups of water, and we put it in here. And then what I like to do is cover it so that it'll come to a boil a lot quicker. And we have our fire going. Look how beautiful. So Grandma it made it large enough. I made you the recipe here, the ingredients, and here you have a 1/4 cup ground sumac, 1/4 cup white corn, 1/2 cup of water, and 1.5 cup we have boiling. You whisk and use the Artisan, which is this. Okay, this is what we mix with, and we basically you mix that in the white corn and you stir it and make sure when you put it together, we put it in. Now, the water is boiling ferociously, and let Grandma put a little bit more water in there. I think we boiled it to death, so we need to add a little bit more water. While that's boiling, we're going to put 1/4 cup of, now this is 1/4 cup, all right? And we're going to put 1/4 cup of the chichen in here. Grandma has to, I just put it, I need to put that much in here. Sorry, I didn't get a spoon or anything. Okay, so we have 1/4 cup we're going to put in here, and then we're going to use white corn, and we're going to put 1/4 cup of that together, and 1/4 cup of white corn, and then we're going to mix it. Now some people put the white corn first, and I know they do that. Now this is in comparison, let me show you, like a whisk, but we're going to use this instead. And so what you do is you mix that using your Artisan, your mixer, and you mix that, and see what Grandma's doing? You mix that, and then we will proceed to boil it here. You just add 1/4 cup of water, and then you mix it like this, okay? And then we put it inside in this boiling water. Oh dear. Okay, and we need to keep mixing. Look, see? And you use this stirring sticks, and you stir it and make sure that it doesn't have any lumps. And this is what you do. I think I'm going to turn it down a hair. Because you need to allow it to cook. Okay, so you can actually see now that's trying to boil. We're going to let that the chichen cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Then you have to make sure, like I said, you use the stirring sticks to make sure that you don't have any lumps in there. You stir the berries. Oh, can you see that here? Sorry. The sumac berries, you stir, boil 10 to 15 minutes. Stir so not to allow pudding to burn at the bottom of the pan. You serve hot. You add honey or sugar to taste. Now, remember, this is what Grandma wants you to remember. All right, the 3-leaf sumac chichen is made with ground white corn, and the ground white corn gives fiber, vitamin C, vitamin D, and antioxidants. and it is an ancestral traditional food. Yeah, they use that to feed the Yay B'Che. Remember, Gaunt just happened. Well, the new year, and that's when the Yay B'Che gives us the blessings, and they feed them this Chichen. It's starting to get dark, as you can tell, and Grandma's gonna put just a little bit of sugar in here. I just a hair. I mean, I didn't, not even a quarter cup, but not even a cup. You don't put a quarter cup there. About 3 or 4 tablespoons. And so far, the pudding is still cooking, and it's wonderful. It smells lovely, and oh, heaven's sakes. Grandma's gonna taste this, and the pudding looks, oh, you should smell it. It is so lovely. Grandma's gonna taste now. It's hot. See how red and beautiful? Mmm. Mmm. Oh my. It's got a sweet citrusy taste. It's so good. Mmm. And it's very healthy. Thank you so much for joining Grandma, and I hope you enjoy this. I did give you in the third video a website for a woman named Kimberly, and if you look in the description box in the third video, scroll down at the bottom of the description box, and you will get a website and where to purchase the Chichen and blue corn, and just go through her website and look. It's so wonderful. But I want to thank you. Thank you so much for joining Grandma and having this wonderful pudding. And we'll share some more another time. Hagonet. Thank you.